I request the participants and the volunteers to kindly stand in honor of Vice Chancellor, sir. Good afternoon, esteemed judges, distinguished guests, respected faculty members, participants, and all those gathered here today. I, Harleen Kaur, on behalf of Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, feels both an honor and a privilege to welcome you all to the valedictory session of Surana and Surana Judex 3.0 journey of intellectuals, legal acumen, and spirit of advocacy resulting in years. Surana and Surana has hosted, administered, and supported a dozen moot court events each year. It is crucial to understand the larger picture of this initiative, which is now the world's largest moot court program. Honorable Justice Krishna Iyer, founded during one of his stay with the Surana family in the late 1980s, spoke at length with the firm's founder, Mr. Respected P.S. Surana, on the need and importance of developing young advocates with strong advocacy abilities. He was particularly concerned with the talented young law graduates while leaving the bar to join the corporate sector, thereby depriving the bar of strong talent. Inspired by this interaction, respected Mr. P.S. Surana designed a well-structured and transparent moot court competition platform to provide law students with an opportunity to showcase their talents in oral and written advocacy, as well as legal research. Surana and Surana has conducted more than 350 moot court competitions with more than a dozen every year, besides judgment writing, arbitral award, and essay competitions. The Moot Court Advisory Board has over the years had about 50 members at various points in the journey, from Chief Patron late Fali S. Nariman to designated senior advocate and distinguished academicians. Presently, Shri R. Venkatramani, Attorney General of India, is the Chief Patron for the same. The Surana and Surana and Kalinga University Human Rights Law Moot Court Competition is designed with the aim of creating opportunities for learning and facilitating development of jurisprudence in the emerging field, offering a forum for discussions on development in human rights law, in addition to fostering the development of cutting-edge skills in research, writing, and advocacy. We are deeply honored to have with us distinguished panel of guests whose presence elevates this occasion. May I now request all of you to please join me in welcoming Honorable Justice Anil Kumar Shukla, former Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, a luminary in the field of law whose words have always been a beacon of wisdom for the legal field. Honorable Ms. Delina, Honorable Member, National Commission for Women, New Delhi, a distinguished leader and a tireless advocate for the rights and empowerment of women across the nation. Respected Ms. Neha Yadav, PA to NCW member. Respected Shri A.O. Lari, Government of Chhattisgarh. Respected Mr. Preetham Surana, Partner Dispute Resolution and Head Academic Initiatives, SSIA, whose unwavering support has been the backbone for this prestigious competition. Respected A.D. Johnson Christie, in absentia, Manager Special Projects, Academic Initiatives, and Dispute Resolution and Practice, whose steadfast support has been the cornerstone of this prestigious competition. Honorable Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Chairman, Kalinga University in absentia. Honorable Dr. Sandeep Arora, Chancellor, Kalinga University in absentia. Honorable Dr. Seema Arora, CFO, Kalinga University in absentia. Honorable Professor Dr. R. Sridhar, Vice Chancellor, Kalinga University, a visionary leader whose guidance has been instrumental in the academic and holistic growth of our institution. Respected Dr. Baiju John, Director General, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Dr. Sandeep Gandhi, Registrar, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Dr. Rahul Mishra, Dean Academic Affairs, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Dr. Vijayalakshmi Biradar, IQAC Director, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Mr. Pankaj Tiwari, Director, CCRC, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Lieutenant Vibha Chandrakar, in charge, Dean Student Welfare, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Dr. Lindsay Roy, Deputy Registrar and Head HR, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Dr. Azim Khan V. Pathan, Dean Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, whose tireless efforts have ensured the seamless education of this event. Respected Mrs. Saloni Tyagi, HOD in charge Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, whose leadership and dedication have made this event a resounding success. All deans, HODs, faculty members, participants, students, volunteers, and the members were NCW. We welcome you all. It is an indeed privilege to have such esteemed personality with us today. To mark the auspicious beginning of this valedictory session, we shall now proceed with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and the start of wisdom and knowledge. May I now request the dignitaries to kindly step forward and light the ceremonial lamp. Moving forward, may I now respectfully request Honorable Dr. R. Sridhar, Vice Chancellor, Kalinga University, to come forward and present a sheafed, shawl and a bouquet to Honorable Justice Anil Kumar Shukla, former Judge, High Court, Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur, as a token of our deepest respect and sincere gratitude. So please. Thank you, sir. We are deeply honored by your presence here today. May I now humbly request respected Mrs. Saloni Tyagi Srivastava, HOD Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to kindly present a Shrifull shawl and a bouquet to Honorable Ms. Delina Pongdo, Honorable Member, National Commission for Women, New Delhi, as a gesture of a profound respect and gratitude. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request respected Dr. Azim Khan Deepathan to kindly present a bouquet to respected Vice Chancellor Sir Dr. Ashi. May I now request respected Ms. Ekta Chandrakar, Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to kindly present the bouquet to respected Ms. Neha Yadav, PA2 NCW member, as an expression of esteem, respect, and heartfelt gratitude. May I now request Ms. Meenakshi Agarwal, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to kindly present a bouquet to respected Shri A.O. Larry, Government of Chhattisgarh, as a gesture of her respect and gratitude. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request respected Mrs. Darshi Sharma Gule, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law, to kindly present a potted plant to respected Mr. Preetam Surana, Partner Dispute Resolution and Head Academic Initiative, as a gesture of her respect and gratitude. May I now request respected Professor Azim Khan Deepathan, Dean Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to kindly present a potted plant to respected A.D. Johnson Christie, Manager Special Project Academic Initiative and Dispute Resolution, as a gesture of her respect and gratitude. Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I request Honorable Dr. R. Sridhar, Vice Chancellor, Kalinga University, to set the tone for this event by delivering the welcome address. So please.
Honorable Justice Anil Shukla sir and other dignitaries, Mr. Preetam Surana, Delina Kundu, and other dignitaries who are present here, and the faculties and my dear students. Especially to start with the introduction, especially to the our guest, I have to give a brief introduction of our institution. This our institution is started in 2013 and 14. When we started, the strength of the student was just 8,000, and it was a totally barren land. And now in 2025, we have around 8,000 students. And in these 8,000 students, we have students from around 30 countries. Apart from this, we have students from almost all the part of India, right from Tamil Nadu to Jammu Kashmir, Northeast, and as well as Rajasthan, UP, Bihar, like around 26 states. Students are there in studying in this campus, and around 350 faculties are here. And yes, coming back to the recognition, we have been recognized by all of the important body like UGC, Bar Council of India, Pharmacy Council, Education Pattern of India, and as well as one of the greatest thing to share with you is as per national ranking, NARF, it's a national ranking done by the government agencies. Our institute comes under 100 to 150 brackets. There are around 1,300 universities are there. With this, our university comes under the top 15 universities all over India. None of the universities in Chhattisgarh having these kind of possibility to achieve this. Even the government universities like Shukla, other universities, they could not get this position. So coming back to the today's program, we are going to organize the Moot court competition with the help of Surana and Surana, and we have been practicing this many sessions. And because of this Moot court practices, we can produce good lawyers. And the lawyers are posted in various parts of India. They are practicing in various courts. They are joined various law companies. There are other legal department they are working, especially for the students of Kalinga as well as the students from elsewhere. This is a great movement to practice how to argue and to understand the all the legal research, to understand how the research takes place in legal subjects, and improve your legal communication skills. And adding to this, it will going to improve your confidence and how to be a good team member, and various aspects is going to help you. And adding to this is going to help you especially to find out various case studies, especially in your field, and can compare the case study with various kind of atmosphere, environment. So on the behalf of the entire Kalinga family, especially to the student, wishing you all the best, and God bless you for to participate in the Moot Court conference as well as the great learning. Thank you very much to you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words. Moot Court competition witnessed some of the brightest legal minds engaged in constructive debates. To memorize the journey of this event, may I now request respected Dr. Azim Khan D. Pathan, Dean Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to present the highlights of the competitions. Sir, please.
Thank you, Ms. Savi. Very good afternoon and warm greetings to everyone on this auspicious occasion of valedictory ceremony of Judex 3.0 Surana and Surana Human Rights Moot Court Competition 2025. Your Lordship, Honorable Justice Anil Kumar Shukla, former Judge, Chhattisgarh High Court, Bilaspur. Honorable Miss Delina, Member, National Commission for Women, New Delhi. Respected Miss Neha Yadav, Consultant, National Commission for Women, New Delhi. Respected A.O. Lari, Deputy Director, Employment, Chhattisgarh Government. Honorable Dr. R. Sridhar, Vice Chancellor, Kalinga University. Respected Dr. Sandeep Gandhi, Registrar, Kalinga University in absentia. Respected Mr. Pritam Surana, Partner, Dispute Resolution and Head, Academic Initiative, Surana and Surana International Attorneys. Respected Mr. A.D. Johnson Christie, Manager, Special Project, Academic Initiative and Dispute Resolution, Surana and Surana International Attorney. Mrs. Saloni Tyagi Shrivastava, HOD in charge, Faculty of Law, Kalinga University. Mrs. Darshi Sharma Guhe, Ms. Palak Sharma, Moot Court Committee Conveners, and all faculty members and student organizing team, all participating teams of this competition, all other dignitaries, join offline, online, faculty members, and all students who have gathered here for this valedictory ceremony of Surana and Surana Human Right Moot Court competition. I once again warmly welcome to each one of you on this auspicious occasion of valedictory ceremony. It is a matter of great happiness to inform you all that Faculty of Law, Kalinga University is continuously emphasizing upon clinical and experiential legal education and industry-academia collaboration for practical teaching learning pedagogy. In this vision of the Kalinga University Faculty of Law has active memorandum of understanding with top-notch law organizations of the country, including Society of Indian Law Firms, New Delhi, Cyber Law University, Pavan Duggal and Associates, New Delhi, Indian National Bar Association, New Delhi, Corpcom Legal Law Firms, New Delhi, and collaboration with Surana and Surana International Attorneys. Faculty of Law, Kalinga University is continuously curating and offering with legal industries collaborations, many required capacity building programs, skilling courses to the students and legal professionals. In this series, Faculty of Law has conducted recently global conference on law and arbitration, mediation, economy and society, capacity building program on new criminal laws, contract drafting skill courses, POASH training and certificate course, intra-moot court competitions, intra-country judgment writing competitions, certification course on artificial intelligence and cyber law, and so on. Faculty of Law, Kalinga University has also planned and curated Trainers Training Certificate course on Right to Information Act 2005, capacity building workshop on techniques of forensic evidences in crime scene investigation and new criminal laws, 40 hours, 5 days mediation training course and other skilling courses. In the journey of Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, I am very much thankful to our entire higher management and entire authority, our Honorable Chairman of Kalinga University, Dr. Raju Kumar, Honorable Chancellor of Kalinga University, Dr. Sandeep Arora, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. R. Sridhar, respected Registrar, Dr. Sandeep Gandhi, respected Dean Academic Affairs, Dr. Rahul Mishra, for their constant support and encouragement for new and constructive initiatives at Faculty of Law, Kalinga University. I am also so much thankful to our all collaborators and especially Mr. Surana and Surana and Mr. Pritam Surana, Surana and Surana International Attorney, for his continuous support and guidance in making this, this new generation market ready with the skilling to fight with the new emerging challenges which are coming in this field of law. And I was, continuously seeing these all, 20 teams arguments, all along these 2 days, those 20 teams which, later approach to the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and, the finals. They're that heated one-side argument and then, more erudite arguments, and how exactly they were, keeping their perspective. So I find that these all entire teams who are participating, maybe there may be 1 team, 2 teams, winners, runners-up, but I find that the all teams who were participating and who have participated in this particular, the entire competition, they have some or the other way very important, the skill and learning which can resolve many important issues which will be there in the society in coming time. So I find that this entire, the competition, it has, value addition, towards solving many important issues of the society. And indeed, I am so much thankful to our all collaborators, and especially Mr. Pritam Surana, Surana and Surana International Attorney, for his continuous support in this entire clinical and legal education and skilling to the students to this advocacy and professional skills. Indeed, I am also so much thankful to you on behalf of entire my faculty of law that coming and adding the value addition to this next generation and this industry and academia collaborations as well for imparting these clinical legal educations. So on behalf of entire management and on behalf of entire higher authority, I am so much thankful to express my gratitude. So let me also, at this juncture, record my, gratitude to the entire my organizing team, especially my head of the department, all faculty members, including, Ms. Palak, Mrs. Darshi, apart from that, all my faculty members, my entire student organizing team, Ashutosh is here, all my other student members are here. So for their tireless efforts in conducting this entire 2 days national competition in these human rights issues. So once again, I congratulate to each one of you, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you and entire this August gathering here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the words. Our association or collaboration with Surana and Surana has added immense value to this competition. Respected Mr. Surana is currently a partner dispute resolution and head academic initiatives at Surana and Surana International Attorney, Chennai, India. With a skill set that includes strategy, administration, project management, operations management, and more, he also contributes valuable insights to the industry. Without taking further ado, may I now request respected Mr. Surana, Partner Dispute Resolution and Head Academic Initiatives, SSIA, to address the gathering. So please.
My greetings to the dignitaries on the dais, led by former Justice Sri Anil Kumar Shukla of the Chhattisgarh Court, Ms. Delina, the chairperson of the National Commission for Women in Delhi, Vice Chancellor Dr. Sridhar, Delina University, dignitaries of the dais, led by the Dean, Dr. Azim B. Pathan, at the School of Law, Delina University, the head of departments, the dignitaries from the State Commission, Chhattisgarh State Commission, the learned faculty members of this wonderful institution, the non-teaching staff, the students, the volunteers, the food court committee members of the School of Law, Delina University, and last but not the least, the participants, without whom this competition is not possible. For this valedictory, I had prepared to speak something on human rights and what is human rights, how is it going to be relevant in the digital age. This morning, I happened to read an article. As 9 out of 10 times, I always change. I never do what I had planned to do. So I'm not going to speak on human rights, which probably I'd speak at some other time, at some other occasion. I want to touch up on something which is much deeper and will be relevant to all age groups. I read a quote from the great Chanakya. I presume that we all know who Chanakya was. No one can defeat a powerful mind. Chanakya believed that a sharp mind coupled with strategic thinking was essential for overcoming challenges and achieving success. He encouraged deep thinking and critical analysis before undertaking any endeavor, advocating for careful consideration of potential outcomes and the capacity, the individual capacity, the team capacity for success. The basic takeaway from this quote and this thought from Chanakya is that is for the development of our brain, the intellect, which is the centerpiece for professionals like us, where knowledge is power, critical thinking, the adaptability to situations, that is thinking on your feet in the courtroom, that presence of mind, and the self-reflection, the ability to self-reflect. Yesterday, some of the students would remember, I did mention during the results that you need to reflect how you performed and how your opponents have performed. So these are the takeaways from Chanakya. Now, what was the article I read in the morning? I'll tell you something about it, why I'm speaking this, and what is it, the relevance of it. The article which I read this morning, early morning, in fact, I didn't go for my customary walk here. I just happened to open my mobile and browse a few things which I like to read in the morning. This morning is a very powerful time, which Mr. Kleiss very well. The article which I read was Brain Drain. India battling mass cognitive decline and no generation is spared. Now, it's one of the many articles that we read every day, but it really struck me. It struck me because the foundation of this country, this society, is people. And if there's a brain drain and if there's a cognitive decline, which on the face of it should not be, because we are a young India, where I think I'm not very clear about the statistics, but I think about 60% of the Indians are youth below 35 years of age. So the future of India is all in your hands. And if there's a cognitive decline, it is affecting the society, the national progress of the country, and you personally, and for us in the legal fraternity. Industries have physical assets which they produce goods, but we produce service to society, where the centerpiece is our brain. So I'll just give me a couple of minutes. I'll just read what I read, verbatim and verbatim. So allow me to read. I'll just read the first two paragraphs and then I'll share my thoughts with you. A silent medical crisis is unfolding among India's multi-generational decline in cognitive health. From children to seniors, the pressures of modern life, evolving societal norms, and underlying health issues are subtly eroding cognitive reserves. Despite India's demographic advantage as a young nation, evidence points to widespread reduction in brain health that threatens individual well-being and ultimately national progress. Lifestyle elements, sedentary routines, processed foods, insufficient sleep, please make a note, chronic stress, online exposure, including doom scrolling. I know what doom scrolling is, you know better than me. Undermined focus, fosters anxiety, isolation, diminishing brain vitality. So this is the first two paragraphs of the article. I'm not going through the rest of the article. That's enough for me to talk to you on this. But first of all, we need to understand what is cognitive health, and it's mistaken vis-a-vis mental health. Now both are different things. Cognitive health and mental health are different things. We need to understand first the difference. Well, while these terms look the same, they are two distinct concepts, as I was saying. Cognitive health refers to the brain's ability to think clearly. Yeah? Rings a bell? Because as lawyers, we need to think clearly. And process information coming into it. You need to process the information that is coming to it. Mental health is a person's emotional, psychological, and social health. So there is a difference. But they are interconnected and influence each other. So a person suffering from depression is part of your mental health, and the ability to lose concentration because of the depression is your cognitive health. Right? So this is a scenario which I have tried to explain through example, that what is mental health and what is cognitive. Now imagine if the article says that this brain drain is happening at a fast pace, and forget about the seniors, we probably live a major part of our lives, but you guys sitting out there are just starting on your life, and we want that the society is strong when you move forward. So just like you take good care of your physical health, I think it's time. This article is a bell, a ring for us to become conscious. We need to sensitize ourselves that how we help ourselves in maintaining good cognitive health and helping those around us. So I'll just quickly wind up what we need to do. So I'm not getting into the details. I know this is a digital age where the span of attention is not more than 5 to 10 minutes. So I think I have going to complete that. So I just give you the crux. You've already listened it from your seniors, your parents, blah, blah, blah. So, but still, why? Because it has a long-term impact on your life, right? Physical health, cognitive health is very important. So go for eat a plant-based diet. It's very good, a plant-based diet. I'm just giving you steps. I'm not giving you a lecture. Do this, you'll have better cognitive health. Because as a lawyer, as a person who are going to litigate, I assume that people who come from moot court competitions are going to litigate do litigation as a career. So you understand the importance of thinking on your feet, the critical analysis, all of this. And if you don't have a good cognitive health, there's a deterioration in your processing power. So it's very important. Your job demands that you take good care of it. Just like a sports person or a film actor takes care of his body, his physical health, you need to take care of your cognitive health. So eat a plant-based diet, exercise regularly, get enough sleep. That's very important. Get enough sleep. And timely sleep. That's very important too, because I have myself seen the effects of around me, that what late sleeping and not sleeping timely, how it reduces your brain power gradually over the years, and you do not even realize it. The best part is that you don't realize it. Get enough sleep, manage your stress. Next point is going to be very important. Nurture meaningful social contacts, not social media contacts. Yeah, I think it's more relevant. And continue to challenge your brain. How can you do that? How can you continue to challenge your brain? It's not that law books you're going to study every time. No. You need to freshen up. So go play memory games, do puzzles, play chess, help, do anything and everything to enhance your memory power. And doing it with others, with your friends, with your acquaintances, will help in your social development interactions. That's very fundamental to a human. Man is a social animal. And believe me, not as an elder I'm lecturing you, but there is a void in building good social relationships today. Please ensure that you connect, you have real connect with people. The ability to keep learning doesn't go until your cognitive health is good. You've heard and read of stories, people into the 90s. I read another article today which said a 94-year-old is living alone, is healthy, does his own stuff, and he has good physical activity. So how is that possible? You've read about Ram Jethmalani arguing at 94. If you're not taking care of your cognitive health, you won't be reaching 90. Forget about arguing at 90. So that is the importance, and if there's a decline, it's a warning bell, so please make note of it. Another good way to enhance your memory is learn a new language. That's wonderful. It also helps in your profession, and you start making new friends, right? I know people who can speak 5 languages, 6 languages, 7 languages. So these are some powerful tools. This article, I gathered some thoughts this morning, so I thought I'd just come and share it with you. And wish you all the best for the valedictory ceremony. The results will be announced shortly. Wishing all the best to you for the prizes and for your career, for your development, overall development, and in your personal lives. God bless. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening address and for your continuous support in nurturing the future of legal education. Moving forward, we are privileged to have with us today Honorable Justice Anil Kumar Shukla, former Judge, High Court of Chhattisgarh, Bilaspur, whose profound knowledge and unwavering commitment to justice have a significant impact on the legal landscape. Lordship joined judicial service as civil judge in 1985, worked in Bilaspur, Raipur, Bhopal, and other capacities. Lordship promoted to higher judicial service in 1995 and worked as additional district and session judge in Sihor, Devas, Raipur, and Rajnandgaon. Lordship granted selection grade in 2005 and worked as chairman Consumer Forum, Raipur. Lordship joined as district and session judge Mahasamand, Chhattisgarh, and during this tenure, the new court building was constructed in a short span of period and dependency was brought down to the 50%. Lordship granted super time scale in 2009 and worked as district and session judge Dhamtri. Lordship joined as district and session judge Raigad in 2011 and during this tenure introduced innovative practices to make optimum use of computer and court working. Lordship took oath as judge of High Court of Chhattisgarh in 2016. Without taking further ado, it is with great respect and privilege that may I now request Justice Anil Kumar Shukla, sir, to share his words of wisdom and guidance. Please join me in welcoming sir.
आज इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित मैडम डेलिना, मिस्टर सुराना, वाइस चांसलर कलिका यूनिवर्सिटी, मिस्टर पठान एवं उपस्थित फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, स्टूडेंट, मेरे सामने धर्म संकट स्टूडेंट जैसा आ गया है। रजिस्ट्रार साहब जब मेरे सामने आए और मेरे को जो पेपर दिए कि बोले ये 4 सब्जेक्ट हैं, इस पे वो देख लीजिएगा बोलने के लिए। तो मैं ठीक है, सभी प्रश्न अनिवार्य हैं और 15 मिनट का समय है। मैं परेशान कि क्या करूं, कैसे बोलूं, किसको छोड़ूं, किसको कितना करूं। खैर मिस्टर सुराना ने मेरा बहुत बोझ हल्का कर दिया। एक सब्जेक्ट को उन्होंने बोल दिया है, अब उसको मेरे को बोलने की आवश्यकता नहीं रह गई। लिहाजा जो दूसरे विषय हैं उनको संक्षिप्त में मैं कहूँगा। अभी का माहौल जो लगातार सुन रहे हैं, तो उससे ऐसा लगता है कुछ बोझे सा हो गया है। मेरे को उसको थोड़ा सा लाइट करना है, पहले दिमाग को थोड़ा सुकून देना है, उसके बाद तो मैं पठान साहब ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझेंगे इस चीज़ को कि चूँकि मैं जिंदगी भर अदालत का काम किया हूँ, आप लोग भी या तो अदालत में जाएंगे या अधिवक्ता बनेंगे, तो कुछ पंक्तियाँ उसी पर सुन लीजिए। पहले, ये अदालत, ये तमाशा, ये इंसाफ की बातें, ये अदालत, ये तमाशा, ये इंसाफ की बातें, हर तरफ शोर, हर एक सू फरियाद की बातें, कभी इंसाफ की उम्मीद, कभी मायूसी का आलम, ये अदालत, ये हकीकत, ये अजाब की बातें, कौन सच बोलता है, कौन झूठ का दामन थामे, ये अदालत, ये फरेब, ये हिसाब की बातें, वो मजबूर हैं, वो जो मजबूर नहीं, ये अदालत, ये फैसले, ये हिसाब की बातें, सबकी उम्मीदें, सब ख्वाहिशें, सबकी आरजुएं, ये अदालत, ये मुकदमे, ये सवाब की बातें। इस अदालत में हर शाम का हिसाब है, इस अदालत में हर शय का हिसाब है, ये अदालत, ये इंसाफ, ये इंसाफ की बात। अदालत की छोटी सी रचना। अब मैं रिटायर होने के बाद फैसले लिखना बंद करके शायरी और गजलों में आगे कुछ तो करूं, खाली बैठ के। जहाँ तक स्टूडेंट के आज आप लोग मूट कोर्ट के लिए उपस्थित हुए हैं, तो अब मूट कोर्ट में तो आप लोग कर चुके हो, अब उसको मैं कैसे बोलूं, कितना बोलूं, फिर भी 5-7 मिनट में अपनी बात रखने की कोशिश करता हूं कि ये जो मूट कोर्ट में जो स्टूडेंट आप लोग आते हैं, ये या तो ग्रेजुएशन के बाद LLB करते हैं या 12th के बाद 5 इयर्स कोर्स करके आते हैं, BA LLB वगैरह। मूट कोर्ट में कोर्ट, पहले तो कोर्ट क्या है? वो जगह जहाँ ट्रायल हो रहा है, जहाँ किसी मामले का विचारण हो रहा है। और मूट मतलब वो कृत्रिम काल्पनिक स्थिति जो कोर्ट जैसी ही है, कोर्ट नहीं है। इस मूट कोर्ट के माध्यम से जो बेनिफिट है, इसके पीछे जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो एक तो लीगल स्किल है, प्रैक्टिस का एक्सपीरियंस है। अब तो सिविल जज के एग्जाम में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एक जजमेंट आ गया तो उसमें 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए। अब मेरे को तो ये समझ में नहीं आता कि आदमी जरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट है तो ठीक है, परंतु अब वो जो आदमी प्रैक्टिस भी करेगा और कॉम्पिटिशन की तैयारी भी करेगा, तो वो करेगा कैसे? क्योंकि सिविल जज का एग्जाम कोई इजी नहीं रह गया है, उसकी कॉम्पिटिशन की तैयारी के लिए भी बहुत मेहनत पड़ती है। और जब प्रैक्टिस भी जो करेगा, तो प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए भी बहुत सीनियर के घर भी जाएगा, केसेस में कोर्ट में अटेंड भी करेगा तो कैसे दो तरफा बहुत कठिन काम है। हाई कोर्ट जजेस के लिए तो मैं कहता हूँ फिर भी एग्जाम अच्छा है कि उनको एग्जाम नहीं देना, केवल प्रैक्टिस करना और प्रैक्टिस से एलिवेट हो जाना। यहाँ क्या होगा? मगर है साहब, मूट कोर्ट से एक चीज आप लोगों को एक्सपीरियंस मिल जाएगी कि अदालतों में कैसे काम होना है। वैसे भी अब 3 साल जाना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे जो करो।
सर उसका रास्ता निकल गया
है
बार काउंसिल में रजिस्ट्रेशन करा के 3 साल पढ़ाई कर लें और फिर एग्जाम में
नहीं, मगर साहब कल को ये पूछा जाएगा, कल को ये पूछा जाएगा इंटरव्यू में कि आपने कौन कौन से केस कंडक्ट किए, क्या आपके पास कौन सी फाइल रही, किस थियरी का एक्सपीरियंस रहा, आप क्या बताओगे? आप बताओगे किस चीज को जब किए ही नहीं रहोगे तो? अच्छा, और मान लीजिए, देखिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करा लेना एक आसान चीज है, परंतु प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद अगर उसने एविडेंस एक्ट या क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर किसी के मामले में अगर कोई प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम रहती है तो जो प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया वो कैसे कर देगा, पता नहीं पाएगा। प्रैक्टिस वो भी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस, केवल अटेंडेंस लगाने वाली प्रैक्टिस नहीं। अटेंडेंस तो क्या है, सीनियर के साथ लग जाओ, उसकी फाइल में दस्तखत मार के आ जाओ, फाइल में तो आपको बता दो कि भाई 5-7 रोज 5 केस में पढ़ते तो 5 केस में किया जाए, पेशी लेने का पेशी लेना वकालत करना नहीं होता है। वकालत करने का मतलब होता है कि आप कोर्ट में जाइए, आप आर्गुमेंट करिए, आप एविडेंस कराइए। आपको जब क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन करना है तो क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन कैसे करते हैं ये सीनियर एडवोकेट को भी नहीं मालूम होता है। मैंने अपने अनुभव में देखा, 8-8, 10-10 साल के वकील हो गए मगर सीनियर वो क्या कहते हैं क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन करना नहीं आया। एक यही रायपुर में एक गवर्नमेंट नहीं, एक सीनियर एडवोकेट बोले साहब आप मेरे से प्रेजुडिस हो गए। मैं बोला क्यों? तो बोले मेरे हर मामलों में सजा दे देते हैं। मैं बोला मैं प्रेजुडिस नहीं हुआ, तुमने जो गलतियां की हैं वो तो बताओ। तो मैं बोला क्या? मैं बोला जो आज जजमेंट किया हूँ मैं बताऊँ? मैं बोला क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में तुमको जो नहीं पूछना था वो पूछ दिया और वो रिकॉर्ड पे आ गया। इसलिए क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में आपको क्या नहीं पूछना है ये ज्यादा जरूरी है जानना, इसके बजाय कि क्या पूछना है। क्योंकि 2 क्वेश्चन आपने गलत कर दिए, आपका किया कराया पूरा खत्म, सत्यानाश। तो मूट कोर्ट में आप लोग सीख रहे हैं वो ठीक है, परंतु जब कोर्ट के में अब तो आपको कुछ जाना ही पड़ेगा। अगर जुडिशरी में जाना है तो भी, और वकालत में आना है तब तो आना ही आना। दूसरी चीज रिसर्च स्किल मूट कोर्ट से आपको आता, आप कैसे केस ला छाटेंगे। आपको मेमोरेंडम पे केस आया है तो मेमोरेंडम पे कौन सा केस ला इस समय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का लेटेस्ट आएगा, उस केस ला को कैसे निकालना, उस केस ला के किस पार्ट को आपको किस तरीके से इंटरप्रेट करना है, ये सीखना बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए मूट कोर्ट में फिर आर्गुमेंट का स्किल होना जरूरी है। कोर्ट के अंदर खड़े हो जाने से या कुछ भी करने से नहीं होता। जो सीनियर एडवोकेट हैं जिनकी सुप्रीम कोर्ट या हाई कोर्ट के अंदर अच्छी प्रैक्टिस चलती है, उनका नॉलेज अपनी जगह बहुत अच्छा है, मानता हूँ, और तो उससे ज्यादा उनको जो आर्गुमेंट है उसका तरीका मालूम है। वो जज के माइंड को भाप लेते हैं कि जज साहब किस दिशा में सोच रहे हैं और उस हिसाब से अपनी बात को उस ढंग से पेश करते हैं। कई चीजें उनके जो अगेंस्ट है उस चीज को कैसे छुपा ले जाना है, ये आर्गुमेंट का ट्रिक होता है। ये बहुत छोटी सी चीजें हैं, परंतु मूट कोर्ट में अगर आप लोग जब क्रिमिनल ट्रायल का केस करेंगे तो सीखेंगे। इस सिविल केस करेंगे तो सिविल में प्लीडिंग जब करेंगे तो प्लीडिंग में क्या लिखना है और क्या नहीं लिखना है। आपने जो चीजें नहीं लिखी थी आपके अगेंस्ट पे केस चला गया। क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग होनी चाहिए। मूट कोड से। तो बेसिक चीज तो मूट कोड की ये हो गई। अब दूसरा चीज मेरे को इन्होंने कह दिया कि एआई पे बोलो। अब मेरे लिए एआई पे बोलना मतलब ऐसा है कि साहब इतना कठिन काम है, क्योंकि जिस जनरेशन में हम पैदा हुए हैं उस जनरेशन में तो साहब ट्रांजिस्टर भी नहीं होता था, रेडियो इतना बड़ा होता था। उस इतना बड़ा रेडियो होता था, उस पे हम लोग सिलोन और बीबीसी खोजते रहते थे, और उसके बाद बड़ा ऊंचा तार बना रहता था। बाद में ट्रांजिस्टर आया, बहुत बाद में क्या कहते हैं, क्या ये कंप्यूटर और ये सारी चीजें तो बहुत बात की है। जब रिटायर होने लग गए तब एआई आया है, तो अब हमारे को एआई का मतलब उपयोगिता वास्तव में जो आप लोग की जनरेशन कर रही है, हम इस मामले में लकी हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हम बड़े रेडियो से लेके एआई तक को देख लिए हैं, आप लोगों ने उस चीज को नहीं देखा। ये चीज। अब जहां तक रहा एआई का संबंध, तो आज की तारीख में आपने कई उदाहरण देखे होंगे। आज हिंदुस्तान के अंदर टेस्ला कार आ गई। टेस्ला कार बिना ड्राइवर भी चलेगी, पता नहीं रायपुर के ट्रैफिक में चला के दिखाते टेस्ला वाला। आदमी जब बैठा रहता है तब ठीक से नहीं चल पाती गाड़ी। दूसरा, मैंने एक देखा यूट्यूब में कि साहब साउथ में कोई शादी हुई थी, और एआई के माध्यम से जो मदर फादर की डेथ हो चुकी थी उनको स्वर्ग से बुला लिया। वो आ गए स्वर्ग से, वर वधू का आशीर्वाद भी दे दिया और वापस फिर स्वर्ग में भेज दिया। ये
1 घंटा 2 घंटा पहले
हाँ
एआई के माध्यम से हम लोग बस्तर प्रिमिटिव जो जनजाति हैं उसमें अपना तस्वीर खिंचवाते हैं। तो मैडम बैठी हुई हैं।
नहीं, अच्छा अब तो ग्लोब भी आ गया है। ये भी एक प्रकार से एआई का ही एडवांस वर्जन है। यूट्यूब में फर्जी क्या कहते हैं वीडियो आ रहे हैं। फर्जी, वो आदमी सामने खड़ा नहीं है, वो बोल भी नहीं रहा है, परंतु किसी टॉपिक पे महसूस ये होता है कि साहब मैं अगर आज मेरे को अगर ले आए एआई में, तो मैं गया भी नहीं हूँ वहाँ, परंतु मेरी फोटो भी ले लेंगे, मेरी आवाज भी ले लेंगे और मेरे से बोलवा भी देंगे। क्या होगा गजब का भगवान जाने। जहाँ तक एआई का संबंध है, ये तो रही और दूसरे फील्ड की बात, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में मैं नहीं जाना चाहूँगा। पर जहाँ तक रहा सवाल न्यायपालिका का, तो न्यायपालिका में एआई का उपयोग निश्चित रूप से बहुत उपयोगी हो सकता है। एक तो रिसर्च वर्क के लिए, रिसर्च वर्क में पहले हम लोगों के समय में स्थिति ये होती थी कि कभी कोई मैटर ऐसा फंस गया और उसके लिए बुक की तलाश है, तो ढेर सारी एआईआर और सुप्रीम कोर्ट केसेस की किताबें छानते रहते थे, उसमें कोई केस ना मिलता था। साहब मेरे पास पूरा एआईआर का सेट था, कई पेटियां भर के। मेरी लड़की जब जज बन गई तो मैंने उसको कहा कि भाई अब ये तो मैं तो रिटायर होने जाऊंगा, 1 साल 2 साल बचे हैं, मेरे को इसकी उपयोगिता नहीं, तुम अपने साथ ले जाओ पढ़ने के लिए। तो बोली नहीं पापा इसकी जरूरत नहीं मेरे को। बोले क्यों? बोले अब कंप्यूटर में और क्या कहते हैं लैपटॉप में सारी चीजें हैं, और जुडिशरी के अंदर जो जुडिशियल ऑफिसर हैं उनको जो लैपटॉप दिया जाता है उसमें 56 से लेके आज तक के जितने जजमेंट हैं वो पूरा एआईआर पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट वो मिनट भर में सर्च करके निकाल के रख देते हैं। अब वो किताब को क्या, तो मैं बोला मैं अभी इस किताब को क्या करूँ, मेरा जाऊंगा रिटायरमेंट के बाद तो मेरे को एक अलमारी खरीदनी पड़ेगी और खर्चा उठा के मैंने पूरी की पूरी किताबें बार एसोसिएशन को डोनेट कर दी। क्योंकि महिला प्रॉपर्टी छूटे जो किताब मेरे लिए कंटक उपयोगी थी आज बेकार हो रही है और बोल बोल रही है। केस के प्रबंधन में भी एआई का उपयोग बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है। इसके लिए केस का बैकलॉग किस प्रकार का है, रजिस्ट्री, हाई कोर्ट की रजिस्ट्री में, इवन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट के अंदर भी अगर ओल्ड केसेस कौन से हैं, इसको छांटने के लिए। दूसरा, हाई कोर्ट के अंदर एआई के उपयोग से कई बहुत सारे मैटर एक जैसे होते हैं। मान लीजिए सर्विस मैटर आया और वो सर्विस मैटर का नेचर एक जैसा है, तो आप 50 केस 100 केस को एक साथ सर्च करके एक साथ कर सकते हैं और उसका डिस्पोजल एक बार में हो जाएगा, तो एक बार में 100 केस का डिस्पोजल हो जाता है। ये बेनिफिट है उसमें। वैसे ही ट्रांसलेशन में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो दूसरी लैंग्वेज में होती है जिसको हम जानते ही। मैं भोपाल में रहा हूँ 6 साल। मेरे साथ सिविल में कई बार ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट पेश होते थे जो उर्दू में थे। अब मेरी मुश्किल ये कि मेरे को उर्दू नहीं आती, तो फिर मैं वो सीनियर एडवोकेट जो मुस्लिम हुआ करते थे उनसे बोलता था कि भाई उनको मैं अपॉइंट करता हूँ ट्रांसलेटर, आप उसको हिंदी या अंग्रेजी में ट्रांसलेट करके दे दीजिए ताकि मैं पढ़ सकूँ। फिर उस ट्रांसलेटर को बयान होगा कि भैया मैंने यही किया है। तो एआई का उपयोग कोर्ट के अंदर निश्चित रूप से बहुत बेहतर है, परंतु इसमें कुछ कमियां भी हैं। अगर डेटा ही गलत डाल दिया जाए एआई में, तो जो आप रिजल्ट निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे वो रिजल्ट भी गलत आएगा। अगर 2 दूनी 4 न लिख के उसको 2 दूनी 5 को डाल दिया गया तो वो तो वही कैलकुलेशन करेगा। वैसे ही एआई में पारदर्शिता, ट्रांसपेरेंसी या स्पष्टीकरण का अभाव हो सकता है। अगर आप जजमेंट उससे लिखाएंगे, कुछ जो रूटीन के हैं जैसे मोटर व्हीकल का जजमेंट है या फैमिली डिस्प्यूट के जजमेंट है, इस टाइप के जो जजमेंट है जो रूटीन के या डॉक्यूमेंट पे बेस्ड, टोटली डॉक्यूमेंट पे बेस्ड जजमेंट है, ऑर्डर है, वहां तक से यही काम कर लेगा। परंतु जहां आपको जो कोर्ट के अंदर जब गवाह होता है, खासकर चाइल्ड विटनेस, तो उसकी भाव भंगिमा भी देखना पड़ता है। उसका आईक्यू भी कितना है उस बच्चे का, ये भी देखना पड़ता है। काउंसिल को इस बात पे रोकना पड़ता है कि कंपाउंड क्वेश्चन जो मिला के वो पूछता है, यह कहना सही है कि यह कहना गलत है, कि अच्छा नहीं बोल जाता है कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है। तो आपको छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन जो उस एज ग्रुप का बच्चा समझ सके, गांव का बच्चा है वो नहीं पढ़ा लिखा होता, उससे कैसे करेंगे बिहेव। पहले तो उसको कोर्ट के अंदर आने में ही उसकी हालत खराब हो रही है, घबराया हुआ है, और उसके बाद उसको पानी पिला के चॉकलेट दे के ये करके तैयार करो, फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे क्वेश्चन करो। वकील क्या करते हैं जनरली उससे ऐसे क्वेश्चन घुमा के कर देते हैं वहां के जज को, अब वहां एआई काम नहीं करेगा। वहां आपको मैन्युअली एक एक चीज को करना चाहिए। दूसरी चीज, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें रहती हैं जो हम एआई में अगर करें तो उसके अंदर की जो गोपनीयता है वो खत्म हो सकती है। कोई भी डेटा चुरा लिया, हैक कर लिया, गया सुप्रीम कोर्ट का अगर कोई जजमेंट है किसी पॉइंट पे आने वाला है, या हाई कोर्ट का टैक्सेशन के पॉइंट पे आने वाला है, जब साहब ने कुछ चीजें निकाल के सर्च करके आपने उसमें रखी और उसने चुरा लिया, तो कंपनी तो खेल कर देगी। फायदे भी हैं, नुकसान भी है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में इसका उपयोग जहां तक जुडिशरी का संबंध है, सावधानी से गोपनीयता और निष्पक्षता को बनाए रखते हुए किस प्रकार करना है। हालांकि गवर्नमेंट के प्रोजेक्ट हैं। ई कोड प्रोजेक्ट आया है, ई कोड प्रोजेक्ट के अंतर्गत पहला स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज भी निकल गया है, थर्ड स्टेज अब तो चल रहा है, और थर्ड स्टेज में AI वगैरह भी इंट्रोड्यूस कोर्ट के अंदर संभवतः हो चुके हैं। तो कोर्ट के पेंडेंसी जो है लगभग आज की तारीख में डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी के अंदर 5 करोड़ के आसपास, 4.5 करोड़ 5 करोड़ के बीच में केसेस हैं। अब इतने सारे केसेस के लिए जुडिशरी में तो जजेस हैं ही। आपकी जजेस की संख्या तो बढ़ा नहीं रहे, तो सवाल यह है कि ओवर बर्डन है और ऊपर से हाईकोर्ट का डंडा है। मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने हाईकोर्ट के अंदर का भी काम देखा, जुडिशरी का वो भी देखा। तो हाईकोर्ट का नहीं आपको इतना डिस्पोजल करना है। अब डिस्पोजल के चक्कर में अगर उसकी क्वालिटी खत्म होगी उस जजमेंट की, तो क्या होगा? वो तो केस को निपटा देगा, वो अपनी कोर्ट में जाके पेंडिंग हो जाएगा। तो आपका डिस्पोजल हुआ कहाँ? तो AI के माध्यम से जो रूटीन के केसेस हैं, ऐसे केसेस हैं जो एक ही नेचर के हैं, एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट के हैं, उनका निपटारा अगर किया जाए तो बहुत बेहतर ढंग से हो सकता है। एक विषय मेरे को इन्होंने ह्यूमन राइट का भी दे दिया था रजिस्ट्रार साहब ने। अब मैं ह्यूमन राइट पे तो मैं यहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट बैठी है मैडम, क्या कहते हैं, महिला बाल आयोग। मैं तो केवल 1 या 2 जगह का केस का उल्लेख करूंगा। जो केस, एक केस तो मैंने खुद डिसाइड जो किया था, यहीं का रायपुर के अंदर एक लचकेरा करके गांव है। उस लचकेरा गांव में 3 महिलाओं के साथ इस बात के लिए प्रताड़ना शुरू हुई कि साथ ये टोनी है। छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर ये परंपरा जो यहाँ के टोनी है, अब टोनी जादू से उनके साथ साथ जबरदस्त क्रूरता, उनको मारा पीटा, उनके कपड़े सब निकाल दिए गए, उनको करंट लगाया गया, इधर ढेर प्रकार की। वो ट्रायल मेरे पास आया, कम से कम उसमें शायद 20 या 22 मुलजिम थे, गांव के सारे प्रमुख लोग भी मिले। वो महिलाएं अकेले बोलने वाली, उनसे भी लंबा एक महिला से मैं बताता हूँ, वकील साहब ने आधा दिन क्रॉस किया है। बाद में मैंने जजमेंट किया, जजमेंट में सबको कन्विक्शन किया और उन महिलाओं को 1-1 लाख रुपए, 1-1 लाख रुपए डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी नहीं देती कभी, 1-1 लाख रुपए कंपनसेशन दिलाया, जो प्रोसीजर के अंतर्गत दे सकते थे। उसका परिणाम यह हुआ कि जो यहाँ की महिला आयोग है या ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन है, ये तमाम लोगों ने आंदोलन किए थे उस जमाने में, और उस आंदोलन का परिणाम ये हुआ कि छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर टोनी ही प्रताड़ना अधिनियम बना। ये जो एक्ट बना, ये क्योंकि उस समय तक एक्ट नहीं था, हमको जनरल एक्ट में उसका जजमेंट करना पड़ा, जो उस जमाने के इंडियन पेनल कोड हुआ करते थे। एक तो ये उदाहरण है मेरे सामने। दूसरा उदाहरण ये है जो मैंने महसूस किया जब मैं लॉ कमीशन में था। छत्तीसगढ़ के अंदर या मध्य प्रदेश में भी कुछ भाग हो, ये देखने में आता है कि किसी लड़के ने या लड़की ने इंटरकास्ट मैरिज कर दी, तो उसका दुष्परिणाम ये होता है कि उसको समाज के लोग बैठ जाते हैं और उसको समाज से बहिष्कृत कर देते हैं। उसके यहाँ नाई धोबी तक नहीं जाएगा, उसके क्या कहते हैं, मरने पे भी कोई नहीं जाएगा। मैं एक ऐसे एडवोकेट को जानता हूँ, यहीं रायपुर का भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहा, नाम नहीं लूंगा, जिसकी मदर की डेथ हो गई, उसने इंटरकास्ट मैरिज कर दी थी, उसको गांव में घुसने नहीं दिया अपनी मदर के फ्यूनरल में। ऐसे ढेर सारे एग्जाम्पल हैं। तो मैंने इस चीज को जब मैं लॉ कमीशन में था, जस्टिस टी.पी. शर्मा साहब के साथ डिस्कस किया, तो बोले मैं भी भुक्तभोगी हूँ। तो हमने पूरा एक उसका एक्ट ड्राफ्ट करके गवर्नमेंट को भेजा, लॉ डिपार्टमेंट को भेजा, कंसर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट को भेजा। परंतु अफसोस की बात यह है कि 2-2 3 दिन गवर्नमेंट आई और चली गई, वो एक्ट आज तक बना ही नहीं, कहाँ चली गई पता नहीं। जबकि रोज अखबार में हर आप 15 दिन 20 दिन में कहीं ना कहीं पकड़ना का केस दे लेंगे। एक मेरा परिचित व्यक्ति है मिस्टर एक राठौर, उसके लड़के ने इंटर कास्ट मैरिज कर दिया। सर गांव भर में उससे बात करना बंद कर, उसकी वाइफ की डेथ हो चुकी। अब साहब वो घर में अकेला पागल जैसे बैठा है, और स्थिति ये आई कि वो इतने अकेलेपन में उबका के बाद में उसकी डेथ हो गई। सोशल बाइकॉट का जो भाई किसी भी लड़की को जब कानून इजाजत देता है कि वो अपनी मर्जी से शादी कर सकता है, दूसरे कास्ट में शादी कर सकता है, तो आप कौन होते हो? मगर सरकार इस चीज को नहीं लाएगी, कोई सरकार नहीं लाएगी। मैं बता देता हूँ साफ बात, न भाई बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट लाएगी, न कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट लाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि जो समाज के प्रमुख जो बैठे हुए गांव में है ना, वही वोट दे जाते हैं, वही सब वोट को उठा के लाते हैं। और हम लोग अगर इस बात को जब बोलने की कोशिश करें तो हम बोलेंगे कि ये सत्ता के विरोध में बात करता है, और सत्ता नहीं, समाज के साथ में बात करते हैं। सत्ता को क्या करना हमको? तो अब ज़्यादा मैं समय नहीं लूँगा, और भी कुछ सब्जेक्ट थे परंतु
rights and empowerment for women across the nation. Ma'am, your presence here today adds immense value and meaning to this participatory session. We are truly grateful to have with you us today. Ms. Delina was born and raised in Ekhaji Hill District, Meghalaya. Ma'am completed her primary education at DCSB School and her 10th and 12th education at CHME Society. Ma'am graduated from Deccan Education Society, DES Law College, University of Pune, and earned her master's degree from New Law College, Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, Pune. Ma'am has held the position of head mistress at the newly upgraded Upper Primary School, East Haji Hill District, Meghalaya. Ma'am practiced in Meghalaya courts, including the Haji Hills Autonomous District Council Court, established under the 6th Schedule of the Constitution to safeguard the rights and customary practices of the indigenous Khasi tribal community. Ma'am is an active member of the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority as Legal Aid Council and was appointed as the Protection Officer under MSLSA. Ma'am is also associated with the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute as a trainer and trained resource person. Furthermore, Ma'am is the founder member and assistant director of Ashopi Education Society and established the first and only science academy in the region. To promote the skill development among women and make them self-reliant, Ma'am started a training center for women in association with Shubham Charitable Association, a Shillong-based NGO under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. The center trained women in tailoring, embroidery, computers, handicraft, bamboo craft, and more. During the pandemic, masks stitched at the training center was distributed free to various sections of the society. The center is now running in partnership with Jan Shikshan Sansthan, Meghalaya. Ma'am filed public interest litigation in Meghalaya High Court to recognize the Hindu, the indigenous faith followers as minorities in the Christian majority state of Meghalaya, enabling them to avail of various benefits and policies for minorities. Her desire is to uplift the deprived and vulnerable society at large. She works hand in hand from the grassroots level to the top, empowering, educating, and encouraging individuals to fight for and to stand up for their rights. Ma'am assumed the role of member of the National Commission for Women on March 1st, 2023. Without taking further ado, may I now respectfully and cordially invite ma'am to address the gathering with her words of wisdom, experience and encouragement.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. Dignitaries of the dais, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kalinga University, respected Lordship, the esteemed faculty of the Kalinga University, Surana sir, the official from the state government, the State Commission for Women, and all of you, my dear friends. Actually, when I heard sir, our Lordship, I recollect the words by my former principal at DES Law College. He always told us during the class, "Jo aap log baithe ho class mein, it's very good. I appreciate because for your attendance, you have to attend the classes." He used to tell us, your best education and best guidance you will get by listening to the experienced judges. He used to ask us, go and sit in any court you like. Kabhi bhi, jab bhi aapka free period hai, just go and sit in front of them. Just observe it. So his advice is still running in my mind, and that was what we did during our college time. So I have learned so many things by attending randomly in any court. Whenever we feel bored, we just left that court and we go to another court. So I would suggest all of you also, please practice this. Go anytime, in any court, in whatever, just see how they argue. As sir said, even experienced lawyers, senior lawyers also, we are not, perfect, or we don't know for cross-examination and all that. So it's better at this age, while you are studying, go and observe them. Okay? So, again, I would like to thank the Kalinga University for inviting me here in this very important competition. Moot competition is a very important competition in each and every law student's life. It is my honor to be here. So let me begin again by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to everyone, every person, every distinguished soul who are present here in this hall. Moot competition is like this kind of Moot competition. It's not just only an academic exercise. They are the training ground, like the football players, like the other field of education, or various type of field that we are working in, like sports, like any other. We need a ground, a court to practice. In basketball, we need a basketball court. So in the same way, before we enter into our profession as a lawyer, we need this ground, this training ground to improve our skill, our argument skills and all, and to be the future better judges, policy advocates, and of course, the reformers of our society. Over the past few days, many of you, for the last 2 days, right? Today and yesterday, you have stood behind the podiums, am I right? You have been behind the podium, you argued the case, you cite some judgments, and of course, counter objection to each other. This is the practice, and this is what we are going to do in our future. All this is the spirit of learning and growth. I appreciate and I congratulate to each one of you for participating in this Moot code, because Moot code require extensive research. Am I right? Before you stand behind the podium, you have to do a lot of research. You have to write a lot. You have to use your brain, brainstorming things, and of course your critical thinking and your teamwork. You have to work in a team. You have to discuss in your with your fellow. So this are the things that you need to have deep understanding of each and every provisions of law. These are not just your skills for a competition, but they are the tools that will define your success, which will impact us, the legal professionals. As the member of the National Commission for Women, I have often witnessed the difference, between those well-informed lawyers, those courageous personalities, and empathetic lawyer. They handle the matters, the complaint by the aggrieved women, those who came to seek justice. They handle it well better than any other person. So you must be well informed in whatever you are doing, and these skills, this knowledge you will receive, and it will start from your classroom and this type of competition that you are participating from time to time. You will be the lawyers who will draft argument in courtrooms. You will give legal advice to the survivors, to the victims, whoever comes to you, to your client. You will work on policies and even shape many public opinions. We need your voice to be loud, fearless, and compassionate. In the fight for equal rights, fair representation, and of course, the legal reform in our country. I especially urge not only to the girls, but to all the young boys also, to join in this movement, to fight and create awareness about gender equality. Being from the National Commission for Women, we are trying to create awareness, more and more awareness on gender equality. Yes, recently we had a gender sensitization for the judges, for the police, and everywhere we are trying to collaborate with various organizations, with various institutions to create awareness and about the needs of gender equality in our country. Because gender equality, it's not only the women issue. Just because I am from NCW, it doesn't mean that I will talk only about the rights and the equality of women. But gender equality, as Sir said, I will speak on human rights, but I won't be able to speak about human rights because we start our program by 30 minutes late. So I'll just focus on whatever we at NCW are doing and what I'm expecting from all of you. So as I said, NCW is committed to increase legal awareness among women. We are striving very hard to make women aware of their rights. Recently, we have seen that there are many incidents where women overpowered on men. है ना, वो केस मेघालय का ही था. I think it is very fresh to our mind. So many people started telling us that now though we need men commission. Yes, indeed, they are right in their own part. But if women, I'm not in their favor. I'm not with them. I'm not supporting them. Crime is a crime. Whether you are male or female, whether you are tribal or non-tribal, whether you are Muslim or Hindu, whatever crime you have committed, it's a crime. But let us remember that if women kill their husband, according to the report, is more than 5,000 or 500. But the crime rates that a husband tortured, killed, and commit domestic violence is around 35,000 every year. These also that which are the reported cases. What about those who are not aware about their rights? So that is the reason why NCW is creating more and more awareness among women. And we believe that law schools and young students like you are the critical partners to this. From running your legal literacy camp to pushing for stronger implementation of law like POSH Act. All of you are aware about the POSH Act, right? Randomly I discussed here in this university. I am very sorry to know that there is no POSH IC committee in this university. Am I right? It is there? You have it. But you don't display anywhere. That's why I just randomly asked, where is the information regarding the POSH Act? So if it is not there, please form it immediately, because we from NCW, we are going to inspect each and every universities now. We are going to start very soon, because the topic that we are taking for law review this year is on POSH Act only. Though it is very confusing, all of us know about it, but we need to do some reforms in POSH Act. So whatever the provision, because UGC also they have their own guidelines on this. So let us follow this. Okay. So we have in NCW, we have to handle thousands of complaints every day from various states. We receive lots of complaints like domestic violence, premarital breach of trust, and dowry harassment, and many cases comes to us every day. We have to handle these cases every day. So what I am looking from all of you, I would like to encourage you to volunteer in various legal aid program, in legal aid clinic. Participate in this. I hope from your university you conduct legal aid more often, and please be a part of it, and go to NCW website, and there is the provision for internship. So I urge all of you to please join and interns with NCW also in our office in Delhi. So help us to spread awareness about laws and all those laws which are related to the protection and the rights of our women in your communities, in your society, in your college, universities, etc. So in this digital age also, we need more lawyers. As Sir said, AI is what to say. But remember that AI also is created with human brain. So we need somebody who will work, who will be expert, who will train himself how to handle this crime related to cyber crimes. Cyber crimes nowadays is, my God, what to say, especially women and children. They are the most vulnerable in this cybercrime nowadays. So help those around you, and you also be aware, be prepared, be alert that you should not fall in this. You should not fall prey in this cybercrime. Okay. I have experienced that not only those illiterate, uneducated people who are the victims of cybercrime. Many professors, even in BU, in JNU, some of them, they shared their experience with me. Nobody is safe from cybercrime or cyber fraud. So let's be alert of all this. So I would like to tell you all that whenever you see you have any issue, any complaint, if you see any domestic violence happen at your home or at your neighbor, you please approach NCW at any time. We are working very hard to protect the rights of women, and nowadays we started telling women also, while we educate them about their rights, we also educate about their duties. Because duties, responsibilities is equally important to your rights. नहीं तो every woman, they just come to us कि मेरा rights violence हो गया है. Like I mentioned earlier, premarital breach of trust. As long as you are happy with that particular person, you are living like lovers, like partners. But once you are not happy with that particular person, you immediately allege that he raped me. So I will not appreciate this. You should know your rights and of course your duties also. You should know your responsibilities. So I congratulate to all those participants, those who won, who will win this Moot competition. Congratulations in advance to all of you. And those who will not win this also, it's okay. Because the real prize, the real life starts once you are out from university and started practicing in a court of law. The real win for you is when you help that one particular deprived person getting his or her own justice for what she sees. If you help only one person at any particular day, at any particular time, and that person is happy with you, he thanks you, then that moment you won. I also thanks the organizer, the judges who had, I heard that they had grilled you and you all also had faced them forcefully with your talent, with your skill and with your preparation that you have been prepared for this competition. I thanks to all of them also because it is through them who guide all us, the young mind, as our former president, the people president, always talk about the ignite mind. The young mind are ignite. We just need to reignite them. We just need to recharge to feed all the positive energy within the young mind. On behalf of NCW and the legal fraternity, I thank everyone who are involved in this particular competition. Before I close, I just want to say this sentence, that justice is not just delivered in courtrooms, as I said. It is delivered every time a person with your help will comes to know about his rights, will find their voice in you, and each and every individual in society is treated with dignity. So let this, your Moot Court experience, remind you of the power of words. Of course, while you argue the matter, your words matter a lot. The importance of preparation, yes, you have to your sleepless night and all that to prepare all the citation, all the judgment to read, all those. It's not easy, though it is available within a click of, but it is very difficult to understand it. You have to spend lots and lots of time on that. So go ahead, wish you all the best in your life. Be not just lawyers, but as the defenders of justice, advocate for equality, and builders of a better and fairer Bharat. Jai Hind. I wish you all very, very best, and I wish that within your shoulder you will carry the pride of India, and you will be the paths you will play a very important role to make this country the Vikasit Bharat, which is all, not only our Prime Minister dream, but it is the dream of each and every citizen of Bharat. With this, thank you to all of you once again. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Thank you, ma'am, for the words of wisdom and for sharing your invaluable insight with us. Your address has undoubtedly enriched this gathering. Moving forward, as a token of our deep respect and heartfelt gratitude, we now proceed to present memento to our esteemed dignitaries in appreciation of their gracious presence and valuable contribution to today's event. May I now request Honorable Dr. R. Sridhar sir to kindly present the memento to Honorable Justice Anil Kumar Shukla sir, whose presence today has truly elevated the status of this occasion. So please. Next, may I now request respected Mrs. Saloni Tyagi Srivastava to kindly present the memento to Honorable Ms. Delina, Honorable Member, National Commission for Women, New Delhi. We are grateful for your inspiring words and esteemed presence, ma'am. May I now request respected Professor Dr. Azim Khan B. Pathan to kindly present a memento to respected Ms. Neha Yadav, PA to NCW member. We are truly grateful for your presence, ma'am. Next, may I now request respected Ms. Ekta Chandrakar to kindly present a memento to respected Shri Eolari, Government of Chhattisgarh. May I now request Mrs. Darshi Sharma Guhe to kindly present a memento to Mr. Preetham Surana sir in appreciation of his valuable presence and continued support. May I now request Ms. Tithi Verma ma'am to kindly come forward and present a memento to Mr. A.D. Johnson Christie as a mark of our heartfelt thanks for his contribution and kind presence today. Thank you so much to all the dignitaries. We are indeed grateful for all that you have accepted our invitation and have spared some valuable time to come here all the way from different cities. Thank you so much. So the moment has come, the participants are waiting for, and for the announcement of the results and the presentation of the award. And may I now request respected A.D. Johnson Christie sir to kindly come forward. So please.
Good evening all, respected honorable dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. It's my privilege to stand here to declare and announce the results of the Surana and Surana Judex 3.0 Human Rights Law Moot Court Competition 2025-2026. To start off with the distribution of participation certificates, my request Dr. Azim Khan Pathan sir, Dean, Ms. Saloni Tyagi ma'am, and Mr. Preetham Surana to come forward to distribute the participation certificates. HR 04, Maharashtra National Law University, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, please come forward. HR 11, Amity Laspur, Noida, Ananya Afrika, Bhavya Singh and Anand Sinha. HR 04, please come forward. HR 04, come forward. And next I request HR 12, Madhusudan Law University, Qatar, Samrina Zermin, Sumajit Behra and Swain Samhab Sahu. HR 11. HR 13, Pendakanti Law College, Hyderabad, Aparna Pandey, Vaishali and Venkatasai Akash. HR 12, Madhusudan Law University, Cuttack, please come forward. HR 15, Integrated Law Course, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, Disha Mama, Hemashi Arora, and Sahitya. Graduate 2, please be ready. HR 13, please come forward. HR 13. I request HR 16, School of Excellence in Law, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Chennai, Monica, Anushri, Tamil Kumar, and Tarun Pranapi to be ready. HR 15, please come forward. HR 18, Symbiosis Law School, Pune, Lokansha, Ashman Sharma, and Ananya Sharma, please be ready. HR 16, please come forward. HR 19, Central University of South Bihar, Gaya, Rohini Ranjan, Shreya Kumari, and Rashi Abhilasha, please be ready. HR 18, please come forward. HR 19, please come forward. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sirs. And now we are about to begin the main award distribution. I request our Lordship, Honorable Retired Justice Anil Kumar Shukla ji, Madam Ms. Delina, Honorable Member, National Commission of Women, Dr. Ashri, the Vice Chancellor, Kalinga University, and Mr. Surana to join to come forward and distribute the awards. The fourth best memorial of this competition goes to HR 19, Central University of South Bihar, Gaya, Rohini Ranjan, Rashi Abhilasha, and Shreya Kumari. The third best memorial award goes to HR 13, Pendakanchi Law College, Hyderabad, Aparna Pandey, Vaishali, and Venkatasar Ata. Best Student Advocate Awards. This awards is basically from the scores the individuals had obtained during the preliminary rounds. The fourth Best Student Advocate Award goes to HR 09, Divyakant Shahu from Amity University, Raipur in absentia. The third Best Student Advocate Award goes to HR 12, Madhusudan Law University, Cuttack, Samrina Zardin. The second Best Student Advocate Award goes to HR 16, School of Excellence in Law, the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Monica B. The team placed third in this competition, HR 11, Amity Law School, Noida, and Sinha, Ananya Akshita, and Bhavya Singh. The team placed fourth in this competition, HR 18, Symbiosis Law School, Pune, Lokan Shah, Ashman Sharma, and Ananya Sharma. Please come forward quickly. The second Best Memorial Award in this competition is a tie. And the award is being shared between HR 12 and HR 15. Madhusudhan Law Institute Attack, Samina Zardin, Sumandi Bhera, and Swayam Samhad Sahu, and HR 15, Integrated Law Course, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, Disha Verma, Hemakshi Arora, and Sahiti. The second Best Memorial Award also has a cash prize of rupees 4,000, which will be now equally distributed into 2,000 per team. Second Best Memorial, the second challenge team, HR 15. HR 15. The Best Memorial Award goes to HR 16, School of Excellence in Law, the Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, Monica B, Anishi Kumar, and Karan Pranav. The Best Memorial Award also has a cash prize of rupees 8,000. They also get a trophy. I request Anushri Tamil Kumar to stay back to receive Best Student Advocate Award, HR 16, School of Excellence in Law, Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University. Anushri Tamil Kumar will also receive a cash prize of 6,000 and a coffee. comes the big award. Any speculations of the winner team?
Give the choices. HR 12.
Okay, there's a mix of responses.
No.
Shall we go for a countdown?
How many 16 and how many 12? 16 how many? Okay, 1, 2, oh, quite a few hands. Okay, 12, how many? Down 16 down, 12. Quite a few of 12 also. I think they equally placed.
So let us go for a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The winners are HR 12. The winning team also received a cash prize of rupees 21,000. The runners-up team, HR 16, School of Excellence in Law, the Tamil Nadu College, Chennai, Odisha, Anita Commissioner, and Ceremonial. You also get a cash prize of 11,000 and a trophy. The best speaker of finance goes to HR 12, Madhusudan Law University, Cuttack, Sumanjit Behra. Spirit of Surana Award. This award is to symbolize by holistic excellence in camaraderie and performance. The participants in the competition had casted the votes for the team that epitomizes the Surana spirit of excellence of intellect and astuteness in augmentation, spirited and healthy competition, team solidarity, and goodwill and harmony with other teams. Goes to HR 13, Pendakanti Law College, Hyderabad, Aparna Pandey, Vaishali, Venkatam, Sai, Akash, who are received 5 nominations. We are coming to the end, the last certificate, which is being presented on behalf of Surana and Surana Law Firm to the host institution to successfully conduct this competition. I would request Dr. Azim Khan Patan, the Dean, Saloni Tyagi Ma'am, the HOD in charge, Ms. Dashi Sharma and Ms. Palak Sharma, along with the student coordinators, Ms. Komal Pandey, Ms. Vitali Thakur and Mr. Ashutosh Singh to come forward to collect the certificate.
Good evening, all of you. It's a way of appreciation, a sense of gratitude to our host institution, the School of Law, Kalinga University, led by the Chancellor here, the HOD, and the Moot Court Committee.
We are truly indebted for the wonderful show that you put together, and we hope to take this forward and further. Before I say my goodbye to all of you, I would also like to put a word. I would like to thank my colleague, Mr. Johnson Christie, without which all of this would not have been possible. Thank you, and Jay. He wants to stay back.
So congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much, sir. Your hard work and dedication have truly paid off. And before proceeding further, I just remember one line by standing here when I was a student and I was participating in such moot courts. One of our guests, or you can say the dignitaries, have said me one line that to those who didn't win, remember, participation is itself a victory. In any field, whether you're coming for moot court competition or any field, participation for me or for anyone is itself a victory. So congratulations to the winners, and to all those participants, congratulations to you too as well. So proceeding further, as we draw this event to close, it's time to express our gratitude, and may I now request Mrs. Saloni Tagi, HOD in charge, Faculty of Law, Kalinga University, to deliver the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. First and foremost, I would like to extend my thanks to all the institutional dignitaries, our respected Chairman, sir, Chancellor, sir, our respected Vice Chancellor, sir, Registrar, sir, DA, sir, and Dean, Faculty of Law, for their continuous support and guidance. Because we are not that much experienced, and we need support from all these experienced people, and they guided us in such a manner that we could conduct such an competition. Now I'd like to express my gratitude towards the chief guests of the day, Honorable Justice Lordship Anil Kumar Shukla sir, Miss Delina ma'am, member NCW. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your time, your valuable time. You came here, you gave us so much confidence that, and you gave us so much confidence, and our participants also, that they delivered. They spoke, they gave so good arguments in front of our judges, and your words of wisdom are really, touched our hearts, and we are going to take this legacy forward. Thank you so much for coming, sir. Thank you so much for coming now. Now I'd like to give, my heartfelt gratitude to Surana sir, Surana and Surana International Attorneys, A.D. Christie Johnson sir. Thank you for collaborating with us. Thank you for giving an opportunity to us for creating such a competition, such an opportunity for the legal minds of the country, and give them an opportunity to sharpen their skills. And I'd like to express my thanks to the organizing committee, my students who tirelessly worked for this competition, and they made it successful today. And I'd like to thank my IT team, my admin department, everyone who has been a part of this journey. We have been working for this competition from last 1 month, 1.5 months. And today we are here, we are concluding this event. I'm really thankful to each and every individual who supported us in this journey. And I'd like to see you again in this competition next year. Till then, all the best to all of you, all the participants who came to the university from different parts of the country. They showed their talent, their skills, and I'm sure each one of you must have learned some of the other things from this competition. Congratulations to all of those who won the competition, and my best wishes to those who are going to be a part of this competition again next year. Hope to see you again, and thank you so much everyone. Thank you.